Gonna tell you how we can configure multiple environments in a single Angular application. Most of the people are trying to handle that they are developing some Angular application and deploy these application in a different URL. Like if you are working in some e-commerce application and you have a single application, in this case you want to be just execute a build command for staging environment, production environment, and so on. In this case we will have to configure some basic points. I am just demonstrating all these points with you guys in app. First we will create a file in environment. You can see that here are environment.ts file. I am adding a URL in these files like API URL. API URL production API. Here I will create another file name staging environment file. This file we will add staging URL. Now we will have to configure angular.json file. Here you can see that Angular already provide a file build configuration. Here this command is already defined for production build. Actually, in the by this command, when we execute the command, our production environment file will be replaced in environment.ts file, and everything in our production or staging environment, all the environment related features will be served by environment.ts. Okay, now we are changing our angular json file to configure multiple build URL. See that these configuration are common for other environments as well. I'm just configuring production and staging environments. You can see that I'm just replacing, sorry, this is a production configuration and this is a staging. Here staging.ts. Now we are executing, now we are getting our environment.ts configuration. Like we already import environment.ts file because every environment, like we will create multiple environment like production environment, staging environment, all when we execute build command for creating a compile code of our angular application, all these files code will be moved to environment.ts file. So finally we will import this file and trying to get that is our build is successful completed as per our configuration. Here it is. We are just trying to get that what our environment is can see that currently it is API URL, which is environment.ts. You can see that now we have set up our build configuration for staging environment build. We will executing this command just like build you all know that by default Angular build will be executed by ng space build. Now we have configured our environments for multiple environments. We have configured our angular.application to create a build or to compile a build for multiple environments. Everyone have a different API, different database for staging and production server. When we want to create a build for our staging environment, we will execute this command by using ng build double hyphen configuration staging, or if we want to create a build for production environment, we will execute ng build double hyphen configuration production. Create the build for production this command for ng build both of these commands based on your JSON. In our case, I have created these two commands. If whatever we are writing here, production and staging, we will use this command here. Build has been executed. Now this folder has been created. This is our previous code. This folder has our compiled code now. I have HTTP server module installed in our Angular to execute any your static files or just like your compiled Angular code. You just need to install node-server. This is a global server. You can see that HTTP server is a simple zero configuration command line HTTP server. It is a powerful enough for production usage. It is beneficial to execute our static files. I have installed it in our local system. Now I will execute our dist our executed dist by this command dist slash. You can see that now I have a port 8080. can see that guys, I was executed a staging server environment file to execute our build for staging environment. You can see that our last command, and you can see that I have just show our environment, that for which environment we have created our build. You can see that by for every command we are using production or staging. Production environment also all the data copied in move in environment.ts, same for staging. Now you can see that our build has been executed successfully, and we have created successfully build for staging environment. So this is the topic for today guys. Thank you. If you have any question related to this video, please leave a question in our video. Thank you.